political debate has happened in such a way that the political clout has dragged the Punjab police, and that is why every time there's an incident, senior cops have been called in, keeping their hands now tied. But this is a big mistake as far as Punjab police is concerned, because this is regarding the Prime Minister's security and a huge breach out there. And now there will be a political showdown and a political blame game. Remember, there was also a sort of mismanagement as far as BJP is concerned, especially regarding the pandal and the canopy which they could have arranged for people. But meanwhile, the Prime Minister could not actually go to the National Martyrs Memorial, the first destination he was supposed to go to, and then come therefore PGI Satellite Center inauguration. Over 42,000 crore rupee announcement of key projects was to be done.
This was I was just coming to that. What was the rollout today that was planned? We understand developmental projects worth crores of rupees. The foundation stone had to be laid by the Prime Minister today. It should have been a happy moment for Punjab indeed. Unfortunately, this protest was something that will occur time and again wherever the Prime Minister goes. If people have an issue, they will come out to protest. But it's the police's duty to ensure security is adequate. Take us to the significance of that area there, Kamaljeet. We know that it is about 30 kilometers away from the National Martyrs Memorial that this incident has happened. The demographics of this area, is it close to the Indo-Pak border as well?
It is definitely next to the international border, which is the IB. What is important is at 11:05, the Prime Minister was expected to arrive in Bhatinda. There was obviously rains, and that is why he got delayed for a good 20-30 minutes, after which he did land there, and then he decided that he would go via road because remember there were heavy rains, and that is when his convoy on that particular bridge, it got stuck. And there were farm protests, and the basic necessity to keep clear the Prime Minister's convoy to ensure that he reaches his destination seamlessly is something all Punjab police or any other police for that matter is able to do. Now we all know that there were farm unions who had announced that they would be blocking roads, but this was not anticipated that the Prime Minister himself would get stuck. A lot of questions regarding Punjab police performance on this. We are yet to really hear from them. But clearly, they are also seeming to have a leadership issue because the DGPs have been changing. There's been also a talk of question whether it is regarding investigation of cases, whether it is about lynching, sacrilege, bomb blast. So a whole lot of things. And this is the last thing that the Channi government would have wanted, that the Prime Minister and the entire BJP going all guns blazing on them. But definitely a question mark. If they're supposed to secure the most important person in the country, is this the way to go about it? There are questions going to be raised, especially by several people, about the rains, about how things really went out in the rally. But clearly, this is about making it to the first destination, which is the National Martyrs Memorial. And it's extremely important because this is where the Shaheed Jyoti is. This is where Shaheed Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev, their mortal remains were burned there. The Britishers had left the corpses there, and this land was in Pakistan. Eventually, India exchanged that and made a huge memorial there. And even today, every Prime Minister who visits usually begins his rally. So earlier in 2015, Prime Minister had paid a visit here, and this time it was supposed to be symbolic because it was also about kick-starting BJP's campaign, but it was least expected. And the BJP going on, and remember, they were all leaders on the stage. They were still awaiting his arrival, and then came in the announcement, especially after Captain Amrinder Singh had spoken, that Ashwini Sharma said there was a breach in security and the rally stands cancelled, even as several people had taken over those chairs. They had inverted them to ensure that it was like an umbrella or at least some sort of a respite from the rain. And thereafter, it seems the BJP may be slightly demoralized. But what has happened is they have turned the tables on the Congress party, especially the Chief Minister Charanjit Singh.
A lot for the Congress party to answer, undoubtedly. Kamaljeet, do stay with us. I'm going to quickly cut across to Navneet Bittu, Congress leader, joining us on the phone line. Mr. Bittu, here is a serious security lapse. The Prime Minister is above party lines. He is the most important person in the country. His security was breached. Despite his movements, an entire plan was very well communicated to the Punjab police.